Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can pause your listing on Airbnb. Try and do this from a computer because it is very difficult to do it from their phone app. Once you're logged into Airbnb, just go over to the top right section. You will see this switch to hosting option. Click on that and that will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then click on listing option in the top menu. And that will land you on your listing editor page. And then click on this settings icon, which is next to the arrival guide. That will open up a completely hidden menu. This is where you will see the first option is the listing status. When you click on that, on the right hand side, you will see listed, which is the current status for this listing. And to pause it, click on unlisted option. And then it will prompt you to choose the date you want to pause it for. You can just simply choose the dates. Click on save, and now as you can see in the status, it is going to unlist my property from this date to this date. Keep in mind when the end date arrives, it will automatically be published. So keep a note of this end date and make sure you're ready to start accepting bookings from that day. And if you want to completely remove your listing, you can click on remove listing option here on the left hand side, choose an option, and they will let you completely remove it as well. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.